第二步，需要确定室外天线的安装位置，一般选择在房顶或者较高处的阳台。第三步，固定室外接收天线。室外天线必须要水平安装，方向指向基站，一般为比较空旷的方向。天线采用 U 型卡固定，固定天线之后，将连接电缆接上，并用防水胶布包好，防止接头进水。第四。
This series of videos demonstrates the Stella Doradus 3G booster in operation and also how to install it. It boosts the signals for wireless internet connections for devices such as internet mobile phones, USB internet sticks or dongles that go into your laptop. We have installed the booster outside and now we will go inside. We are in a room with very poor 3G signal. We have connected the indoor antenna to the outdoor booster but have not turned it on yet. You can see there is just one bar on the iPhone signal strength indicator. The indoor antenna is about 1 meter away from the iPhone. We will now turn on the booster and you can see the signal strength increase gradually to a full 5 bars. To give an idea of the coverage potential of this booster, this 5-bar result would happen even if you were 25 meters away, which equates to about 600 square meters of coverage. And we will turn it off and you can see the signal strength decreases right back down again. This can take some time to register on the phone. We are going to do a speed test with the booster on. We have a 2 meg download connection on this phone and a 1/4 meg upload. We are doing the download at the moment. You can see it's nearly 2 megs there now. And now the upload. Just about a 1/4 meg. While the signal strength indicator on the iPhone is particularly good for the tests we have just done, we have seen other devices such as some USB sticks where the signal strength indicator is not very accurate or sensitive and cannot be relied on to measure the signal strength of the booster. We always recommend using www.speedtest.net to accurately measure your true data rates.